Boost your PC or laptop lifespan, essential maintenance tips. Hello there. Do you want your PC or laptop to last longer? We've got you covered with these essential maintenance tips. First, clean your computer physically. Dust and grime can hamper performance. Regular cleaning helps your machine stay cool and run smoothly. Second, keep your system updated. Updates fix bugs, improve performance, and strengthen security. Don't ignore those update notifications. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO. Third, declutter your hard drive. Unnecessary files slow down your PC. Regularly delete unused programs and back up important files externally. Fourth, protect against malware. It's not just about viruses anymore. Spyware and ransomware can also harm your computer. Use reliable security software. And finally, manage startup programs. Too many can slow down your machine. Control your startup programs for a faster and healthier PC or laptop. Stay tuned for more tips.